Hello dear students, welcome back again to the maths class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 11, area and its boundary. Let us continue with the topic, my belt is longest. Take a thick paper sheet of length 14 cm and width 9 cm. You can also use an old postcard. Here question is, what is its area and what is its perimeter? So student, take a thick paper sheet of length 14 cm and width 9 cm, or you can also use an old postcard. Now let us find out the area and the perimeter of this paper sheet. Suppose this is a thick paper sheet. Having length 14 cm and breadth 9 cm. Now here area of paper is equal to length into breadth. So length is given here 14 cm. So 14 and breadth is given 9 cm. So here 9. 14 into 9 is equal to 126 square centimeter is the area of paper. Now we will find out the perimeter of this paper. So here perimeter of paper is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here length is given 14 centimeter and breadth is given 9 centimeter. So here 2 and 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. When we multiply 23 by 2, we will get 46 centimeter is the perimeter of this paper. Let us move on to the next question. Now here is question. Now cut strip of equal sizes out of it. We have to cut strips of equal sizes from this thick paper sheet or from the postcard. Here we can cut strip of equal size from 14 by 9 size paper in 3 ways. The width of the paper is 9 cm and here we are cutting the strips of 1 cm. So we will get here 9 strips. Then second one is strips of 1.5 cm width. So here we will get 6 strips. Then strips of 3 cm width, 3 3s are 9. So we will get 3 strips. Here we will get 3 strips, 1, 2, 3, because 3 3s are 9. And here 9 cm. So here we are getting how many strips? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strips we will get from 9 cm. And here of 1.5 cm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will get 6 strips of 1.5 cm. And here we will get 9 strips of 1 cm. Now here proceeding further, using tape join the strips end to end to make a belt. So we can make a belt by joining the strip end to end. Now questions are, how long is your belt? What is its perimeter? And whose belt is the longest in the class? So let us solve these all questions. Now let us find out the perimeter. Here perimeter is equal to A plus B. So here 2 and here length is now 42 cm because 14 plus 14 plus 14. So 14 3s are 42. So 42 cm and here width is 3 cm. So here we have written 3 cm. If we add 42 plus 3, there will be 45 and 45 2s are 90 centimeter is the perimeter. So here we can write the answer. How long is your belt? 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter. And what is its perimeter? We have found out just now. 90 centimeter. And whose belt is the longest in the class? Here you can write that my friend's belt is the longest in the class because it has 1 centimeter width only. So his belt is the longest. Now proceeding further here, discuss. Why did some of your friends get longer belts than others? So student, you can understand here. As the strips are thinner, it is longer. Here we can write the answer. Some of my friends got longer belt than others because they made belts from thinner strips. Proceeding further, is the area of your belt the same as the area of the postcard? Why or why not? Yes, the area of my belt is the same as the area of the postcard. Let us see how. Here we can write that yes, this is equal to the area of the postcard because area of the belt of 3 centimeter wide strip is equal to length into breadth. And length is 42 centimeter because 14 plus 14 plus 14. So 14 3s are 42 centimeter. And breadth is 3 centimeter. If we multiply 42 by 3, we will get 126 square centimeter. And this is equal to the area of postcard. Now question is, what will you do to get a longer belt next time? So your answer is, by making thinner belts, I can get longer belt next time. Look, I can pass through a postcard. I made a loop without cutting the strip. So children, this activity is given on page number 154. Here you can follow all the steps to get this loop. First, make lines on a postcard like this. Then cut the postcard only on the lines as shown in the picture. So can you pass through it? Yes, you can pass through it. And then you know the area of the loop, don't you? It is, yes, because area will be not changed. It is 126 centimeter. It is 126 square centimeter. Now puzzle, pass through a postcard. Can you think of how to cut a postcard so that you can pass through it? See photo. If you have tried hard enough and still not got it, look for the answer somewhere ahead. That already I have shown you. Where is the answer of this puzzle? Children, here is the end of this session. We have solved questions. So just practice for all this question and also write them in your notebook. Thank you.